Question number 3, which of the following hydrocarbons cannot be oxidized by the alkaline KMnO4? Now over here, when we observe toluene, so toluene is with CH3, ethyl benzene, so here ethyl benzene, CH2CH3, isopropyl benzene, that is nothing more than a cumin isopropyl benzene. Okay, and the last one what we have is a tertiary butyl benzene. So let's take over here a tertiary system. So in this entire case, what happens is, if we observe the first 3 scenarios, the first 3 scenarios in a case, that is our toluene, ethyl benzene and isopropyl benzene. If we observe that in the side chains, if we observe that the alkyls are either primary or either if it is a secondary. Now, these particular things usually get oxidized. All right, so these particular things usually get oxidized to carboxylic acids. On the other hand, when we observe this tertiary system here, so when we observe about the tertiary system, like what we have here is that the tertiary butyl benzene, right? Now this is a quaternary state, carbon O here. Okay, so this one is not going to get oxidized. Thus, this one, the option D, is the only one which cannot be oxidized with the alkaline KMnO4.